YouView recording issues are among the most common problems users face. These can range from recordings that fail to start, to playback that freezes unexpectedly, or frustrating error messages appearing when you try to watch your saved content. The first and most effective solution is a simple power cycle. This resolves many temporary software glitches and memory issues that can cause recording problems. Next, check your available storage space. YouView boxes need adequate free space to record properly. Insufficient storage is a common cause of recording failures. Finally, poor signal quality can cause recording issues. Check both signal strength and quality to ensure your YouView box is receiving a clear, stable signal from your aerial. These three basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of YouView recording issues. Most users find that a simple power cycle fixes their problems, while storage and signal checks address the remaining common causes. When basic troubleshooting fails to resolve recording issues, it's time to explore advanced recording settings that can significantly improve your YouView box performance. The first critical setting to optimize is your recording buffer. Navigate to your recording preferences and maximize the buffer to 30 minutes. This extended buffer helps prevent recording failures during signal interruptions. Enable the Keep Until I Delete option for important recordings. This prevents automatic deletion and ensures your valuable content remains safe even when storage space becomes limited. Series link prioritization is crucial for managing recording conflicts. Review your series links regularly and set priorities to ensure your most important shows are recorded when scheduling conflicts occur. For potential hard drive issues, YouView boxes include a built-in disk check utility. Access this through Settings, Device Management, then System Information to run a comprehensive disk analysis. The disk check process can take several hours to complete, so plan accordingly. This utility scans for bad sectors, file system errors, and other storage-related issues that could cause recording failures. Understanding hard drive failure types helps identify when disk issues are beyond software fixes. Hard drives can experience both logical failures, like corrupted files, and physical failures, such as overheating or mechanical damage. As a last resort, consider performing a factory reset. However, this will erase all recordings and settings, so back up any important content first. This nuclear option can resolve persistent software-related recording issues. YouView boxes typically have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, with hard drive failure being the most common cause of replacement. If problems persist after trying these solutions, it may be time to consider upgrading to a newer model.